Or maybe your social media posts just aren't popping the way you hoped? Let me tell you a little secret, it's not your content. It's your thumbnails and design. But don't worry, I've got you covered. Hey there, I know how hard it is to stand out online these days. You can have the best content in the world, but if your thumbnails and social media graphics don't scream "click me," you're losing views, engagement, and maybe even income. That's where I come in. I've partnered with some of the best Fiverr services to bring you custom YouTube thumbnails designed to grab attention and boost clicks, Facebook video thumbnails and post designs to keep your audience scrolling back for more, Instagram post designs that make your profile stand out from the crowd. And here's my promise to you: unlimited revisions, because I want it perfect for you. 100% satisfaction guarantee. A 100% money back guarantee if you're not happy. Plus 24/7 support even after your order is complete. So, what are you waiting for? Don't let boring thumbnails or uninspiring designs hold you back. Click the link below to check out these Fiverr services now and start